Hello dear students, this is Panchavati Ravi Sharma. Wanted to explain you retardation. So here let us see the animation first. On the topmost point you can see. So there is a truck, red color truck and a green color truck. Once again you see this. The red color truck is going and green color truck is chasing it back, but to avoid the crash it has applied the brakes. So the red color truck, if you happen to see the dots, it was going with constant velocity, so it covered equal displacements in equal intervals of time. The green one, until it was very nearer to red, went with constant velocity. After application of brakes, the displacements between the dots got reduced, and finally at one place it stopped. Now once again we'll see what's happened. Please see the trucks, brakes applied, it stopped. The other went away, the red one went away, green one has stopped. So these are things I wanted to show in graphs. Now concentrate only on this velocity time graph. What actually happened? Red color truck covered equal intervals, equal displacements in equal intervals of time, so it has constant velocity shown with a horizontal line there parallel to the time axis, some number constant velocity value here, and that velocity it continued. Whereas the green one, before applying brakes, was traveling with constant velocity. After applying the brakes, after every second its velocity got reduced. Here the two graphs, when they are met, people may think, or the students, beginners may think that they have got met each other. Only the thing is, here the velocities became equal. Velocities becoming equal doesn't mean that they are hit each other. Positions become equal means they hit each other. Okay, let us come back. Then velocity reduced. Finally the green color truck stopped. So the green color truck initially had constant velocity. After applying brakes, the velocity got reduced and finally it met the time axis. That means velocity dropped down to 0. Let us see the animation once again. Now concentrate on position time graph. Okay, let us see this one. What happened to the red color truck? It is already having some initial velocity, you can see here. So with that initial it is having already initial position. That means in the animation, red color truck has started ahead of green color truck. Similarly in the previous one also, the velocity time graph, the green one has more velocity than red one. Here the red color had a initially advantage, or initially it was ahead. The green color truck slowly increased its velocity. It was having a constant velocity, slowly decreased its velocity, retarded. A point has appeared where the two graphs appeared to meet, but actually there is a closest approach, we can call it as. It's called closest approach. After that it got reduced and finally the green color truck stopped. So to understand the graph, please see the animation once again. You may be feeling bored to see the animation repeatedly, but only thing is what's actually happening we wanted to show there. So when the trucks came nearer to each other, what has happened in position time graph is they had the minimum distance between them. That means almost by a small nuke they missed the crash. Meeting of I already told, meeting of velocity graphs doesn't mean that they have crashed each other. That means actually they were having the same velocity at that time, but one is at one position, other is at other position. Meeting of position time graphs, if at all both positions are same, then we can say that crash has happened. But here if you magnify the graph, you will see that these two are very nearer, quite nearer to each other. By an arrow distance they missed the crash. Once again, before the closing the animation, see all the three at a time, both the trucks, velocity time graph as well as the position time graph. Please see it. Thank you very much.